Hi friends, this is Jyotsna from konlines.com. In this session, I would like to discuss about the topic Infocube compression, and this is my topic. In this, my navigation is transaction data loading from Platform to Infocube. I had completed the data modeling. Now, data modeling was completed, and next part is data loading. Data loading or data acquisition. Okay. Now, step 1, create the info package. Okay. Now, why we are using, first let me log on to the SAP server. Log on, give the credentials. Continue with this login. Go to RS11. I had completed this RS15. Okay. Go to data source. Now this is my application component. This is my data source. Now I have to create the info package. So let me create the info package for this. Select the data source. Info package is to load the data from the source system to the PSA, that is persistent staging area, which will store the temporary data. Okay, no? Okay, and select the data source. Context menu. Create info package. Give the description info package for TDL Infocube compression. Select the data source. Select save continue. This is my data selection. Actually, this is used if I want to select the values from particular value to the particular value. Consider the C2 to C9 like that. So I'll use this data selection. Now this is the extraction, same data as we selected in the data source. See here, adapter load text type file from local workstation just to see the parameters. File name, this is my file, PSB, header rows to be ignored this one. Data format, each separator with separator, data separator, comma, processing, PSA and then into the data target package per package. This is first it will load the data to the PSA and then into the data target. It is in the series. PSA and data target in parallel. This is it will load the data to both the PSA and the data target parallelly. Only PSA means it will load the data to only PSA. It's like temporary storage unit, PSA. Data target only means only to the data target. Select update tab. Update mode is full update. Select the schedule. Start data immediately. Data load immediately means right now. Start later in background means we'll schedule periodically. Select the start data load immediately. Select start execute schedule. Data was requested. Now select the monitor PSA. See here 12 records PSA successful PSA date PC Josh and select PSA maintenance. Select continue. Now through InfoPackage the data is loaded into the PSA. See here the data, observe the data, go back, and now select my info provider. I had loaded up to PSA, and from PSA to data target or info provider or to the Infocube. What is my info provider? That is Infocube. I have to load the data. So I need DTP. I need to create the DTP. Create standard DTP, data transfer process. We are having four types of DTPs: standard DTP, error stack DTP, direct DTP, and RDA DTP. Now we are using standard DTP. Now select this. It will DTP is used to load the data from the uh, PSA to the info provider or data target. See here, create DTP data transfer process TS underscore IC1 slash PC underscore Josh followed by SIC underscore IC. DTP type is standard, can be scheduled. Infocube SIC underscore IC data source. This is the source, this is the target of the DTP. Target is info provider. Source is data source DS underscore IC1 PC underscore George. Select continue. Select full extraction mode. Select update. Update valid records, no reporting. If request is read, select execute. Serial and select activate the DTP. Continue. Select execute push button. Execute. It's processing. See here the request status. The request generated by the DTP will now be processed. Do you want to display the request monitor? Yes. See here, it's successful. See the data package, 12 records, one data package. See here, extraction, updating to the Infocube. Now, select the administrative data target. See here, request ID. Request is available for reporting. Means it will be available for reporting. See here the DTP or info package, transfer records, added, full update, and select the request and select the queue display contents. Select field selection for output. Select customer ID, product ID, currency, calendar day, units of measures. Means select required fields, product quantity, profit on sales, sales. Even you can display the SQL and the execution plan, query execution plan. Select execute. See here it will show the query execution plan, native SQL and open SQL, and the query results. See, we are done with the okay. Now completed this. Now I can check in the underlying data dictionary tables. List cube. Check the data in the underlying data dictionary tables. Info provider SIC underscore IC. Select execute field selection. Whatever the fields you require, you can select them. Display content CBO, and even you can set, take RSMON CBO, monitor load data, successful PSA, 9th date, PC underscore Josh 2004, CPO, select administrative data target, select the cube, select the request ID, display contents. Field selection for output, customer ID, product ID, calendar day, currency, units of measure, and key figures are already selected. Select execute. Okay, I said something about the fact tables and the dimension table, right? So let me check that also SC11. Now see here /BIC /F SIC underscore IC. This is my uncompressed fact table. Select display. See here the fields, display content, select execute. See here only keys will be displayed, only key figures will be displayed. Okay. This is my uncompressed. When we load the data from the Infocube, it will store in the uncompressed fact table. This is compressed fact table. See here, you won't have any data. Before compression, you won't have any data. See here, number of entries matches 0. Select execute. No table entries found. Why? Because we have not compressed the cube. Before compression, it will store in the fact table, and after compression, it will move from the fact table to the eFact table and compresses the data. So eFact table is compressed fact table doesn't contain any data. For that, we are to improve the performance, we are using the compression technique. Now we are going to discuss about that in the next session. Means just for idea, means where I am storing the data and where the data will be there. Actually my data is in FFACT table, right? This is uncompressed format. So EFACT table is not having any data. And in my navigation in the next sessions, I will discuss about the compression so that you will observe the changes. For observing the changes, I displayed this. Okay. Now this is about the, and even we can select in the RSMO and also we can check the data in the RSMO and monitor. CSA 9 PC underscore save. Select the cube, request, display contents, field selection for output. Select execute. See here the data is observed. So data loading is completed. We'll discuss about data reporting in the next session. Thanks for watching this video.